Think you know how to use ChatGPT? Think again. These 10 insane tricks in 2025 will blow your mind. Trick number 1. Make ChatGPT your personal expert. Set custom instructions to turn it into a YouTube scriptwriter, coding coach, or even a startup mentor. Trick number 2. Upload PDFs, Excel files, or even code, and ChatGPT will read, explain, or summarize them instantly. Trick number 3. With GPT-4o you can now upload images, charts, or even speak your request. It's like talking to Iron Man's Jarvis. Trick number 4. Create your own AI assistant. Build a Linux tutor bot, YouTube script bot, or even a business helper with zero coding. Trick number 5. Automate tasks with GPT. Analyze data, send emails, or create reports, all from one prompt. Trick number 6. Let ChatGPT write, fix, and explain code. Whether you're a beginner or pro, this is your new coding partner. Trick number 7. Upload your notes, manuals, or scripts and train ChatGPT to work just for you. Trick number 8. Ask it to compare, give pros and cons, or answer like Elon Musk. The results are wild. Trick number 9. Let ChatGPT create diagrams, flowcharts, and architecture maps, great for learning fast. Trick number 10. Use ChatGPT with tools like DALL-E, 11 Labs, or InVideo to generate voiceovers, thumbnails, and even full videos. So, which trick blew your mind? Comment below and hit subscribe for more AI tech secrets.